Many throw away orange peels after eating them because they never knew its great values. I was also a victim. But you don't need to worry, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the numerous benefits of orange peels. I'm going to focus on the skin. So stay glued to your screen and make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel Cheese Remedy. I appreciate you for clicking on this video. My returning subscribers, I see you all. I say thank you so very much for always supporting this channel. So in today's video I'm going to focus on the numerous benefits of orange peels for your skin. So I'm going to be showing you guys 5 effective ways you can use orange peels to glow your skin. I bet you after watching this video you will never throw away your orange peels. You might be wondering why orange peels for a glowing skin. Orange peels is loaded with antioxidants and lots of nutrients that is very beneficial for your skin. It can be used in a number of ways to get a glowing and a youthful skin. Orange peels helps to bring back moisture to your skin. It hydrates your skin. It protects your skin from pigmentation, from wrinkles. It renews your blood cells. It is loaded with anti-aging properties that will help you to look youthful, that will help you not to age. It also promotes a healthy skin. So guys, let me show you guys how to come up with this recipe. You are going to get your orange depending on the amount of orange you want to use. So here I'm just going to be using only one large orange. So you are going to peel off the skin of your orange. So this time around we are not going to throw the skin away because it is very useful. So after consuming the orange juice, so I'm going to stop right there because this one is a kind of messy. So this is our orange peel. So I'm going to go ahead to slice this orange peel into tiny chunks. But before that, make sure you wash your orange properly, because anything that has to do with your skin, anything that has to do with your body, you just have to be very careful. So you are going to go ahead and cut them into tiny chunks. So here is our orange peels all sliced in chunks. So you are going to set it aside. While cutting your orange peels, you are going to go ahead and place your pot on the gas, add in your orange peels, pour in a generous amount of water depending on the size of the orange you are using, and you allow it to boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the water has turned slightly yellow. So when it gets to this point, all you just need to do is just to turn off your gas, allow the orange peel to cool off, then you use your sieve to strain out the juice. I'm going to be adding is lemon oil. I made this lemon oil at home. Is a homemade oil. You can use turmeric oil, you can use any essential oil of your choice. So you are just going to spray in few drops, mix it very well, and the next thing you are going to do is to get a spray bottle. When you get your spray bottle, make sure you wash your spray bottle properly with warm water, then you transfer the mixture into your spray bottle. So I'm going to show you how you are going to make use of this mixture. So you are free to store this in your refrigerator for at least up to 10 days. So this is a facial toner. So when you want to use it, just spray it on your face, spray it all over your body. There's no side effects. It's very beneficial for your skin. Using this, within few weeks of using this, you will start seeing the effectiveness, you start seeing the results on your skin. So let's go over to the second method. The second method, you are going to transfer the orange peel into a bowl that has a tight cover. Then all you just need to do is to add in clean table water, cover it up and allow it to sit till the next day. So till the next day it must have fermented a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it smoothly. So after blending it, this is how it is, very smooth. So you are going to use your sieve and strain out the juice from the orange peels. This orange peel juice can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 10 days. So because I don't have most of the ingredients, I'm not going to be showing you the physical ways you can use it, but I will as well explain to you the way you can use it. So you can use it for your facial face masks. You can use like a 2 teaspoons of this juice mixed with your honey, with your oatmeal mixed together. You can use it to come up with a facial face mask. It will help you to get rid of wrinkles. It will help you to get rid of pigmentation. You can as well add baking soda, add honey to it, and aloe vera to also come up with a face mask. So these are the numerous ways you can use your orange peel. So let's go over to the chaff. We are not going to throw away the chaff. You can use the chaff to come up with a facial scrub. So all you just need to do is just to add in your sugar into this, mix it properly. You can use it as a face scrub. You can use it once in a week or twice in a week. So after using this facial mask, you just need to allow it to stay for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, then you can wash it off. Repeat this twice in a week or once a week. But the facial toner, the first facial toner we used, you can apply it every day or 3 times in a week, and within 1 month you will see the massive transformation on your skin. The way your skin will lighten up, the way your skin will glow, the way your skin will look more healthier. So you can use any method that suits your skin type. You can use the facial toner, you can use the face scrub, the face mask, whichever method that suits your skin type. So just make sure you are consistent and you will see the effectiveness of this orange peel. Orange peel is very good. It works wonders. It works magic as a skin lightening agent. It removes tan from your skin. It removes blood cells. It is loaded with anti-aging properties that will make you to look youthful, that will glow your skin naturally with no side effect. There is no harsh chemical, there is no side effect. It is an all natural ingredient and it will glow your skin naturally without no side effect. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you so very much for watching, and bye bye. See you in my next video.